The production process of pencils involves several stages, from the raw material preparation to the final packaging. Here's a detailed overview of how pencils are made. 1. Raw material collection and preparation. The primary materials needed for pencil production are wood, graphite, clay, and a bonding agent. Wood. The wood used for the outer casing is typically cedar, a soft wood known for its ease of machining and resistance to breakage. Logs are sourced and cut into slats. Graphite. The core of the pencil, known as the lead, is a mixture of graphite and clay. The graphite provides the pencil's ability to leave marks on paper, while clay affects the hardness. The ratio of graphite to clay determines how soft or hard the pencil will be. 2. Graphite and clay mixture. The graphite and clay are mixed in precise proportions to create a consistent mixture. This mixture is ground into a fine powder and then blended with water to form a paste. This paste is dried and then extruded into long, thin rods that will form the core of the pencil. These rods are then baked in a kiln to harden them, which makes them durable and gives them the ability to write smoothly. 3. Wood preparation. The wooden slats used for the pencil casing are prepared by first cutting logs into thin strips. These strips are then trimmed and dried to reduce moisture content, ensuring that they won't warp or crack over time. The slats are typically around 6 to 8 inches long and a few millimeters thick, depending on the size of the pencil. 4. Shaping the casing. The wooden slats are fed into a machine that cuts them into the shape of a pencil. For a standard hexagonal pencil, the slat is shaped into 6 sides, though round or triangular pencils are also produced. These slats are then treated to smooth the edges and prepare them for the insertion of the graphite core. 5. Core insertion. Once the wooden slats are shaped, a groove is cut along the length of each slat to hold the graphite core. The graphite rods, which are cut to size, are carefully placed in the grooves of the slats. Sometimes, 2 graphite cores are placed side by side, depending on the type of pencil. The slats are then glued together, sandwiching the graphite core between them. 6. Casing assembly. After the graphite cores are inserted, another slat is glued on top, creating a sandwich of wood with graphite in the middle. These glued slats are then pressed and dried. Once the glue has dried, the pencil is cut into individual pencils. 7. Sanding and shaping. The pencil blanks are then smoothed and sanded to remove any rough edges or imperfections. The pencil may also be sharpened at this stage to give it a more finished appearance. 8. Painting and branding. The pencils are then coated with paint to give them color and protect the wood from environmental damage. Most pencils are painted yellow, but they can come in a variety of colors. In addition to the paint, the pencil may be stamped with the brand name, the pencil grade, e.g. HB, 2B, and other markings. 9. Fitting the eraser. If the pencil includes an eraser, this is attached to one end of the pencil. The eraser is typically made of rubber and is inserted into a metal ferrule, which is then crimped onto the pencil's end. 10. Final inspection and packaging. Once the pencils are fully assembled and painted, they undergo a final inspection to ensure they are free of defects. They are then packaged in boxes or bundles and are ready for shipment to retailers and customers. This process, from raw materials to the finished product, can take several hours to complete. But modern machinery and efficient assembly lines have allowed for the mass production of pencils at an impressive scale.